Hello everybody, this is the Russian Fazbear, and what I have today is a rare 48-inch Hunter original ceiling fan. Out of all of the various sizes that Hunter originals were offered in, 32-inch, 36-inch, 42-inch, 48-inch, 52-inch, 56-inch, 60-inch, and whatever other ones I may or may not be forgetting, 48-inch is the rarest size of them all. And essentially what this fan is it is a 42-inch original motor with longer blades. The blades are not at all wider, they're just longer. And the blades also are a bit more rounded at the ends. They're still relatively flat, however they're not as flat as a 42-inch original blades would have. This fan is from 1988, and it is in polished brass with reversible oak to walnut blades with the oak side facing down. I got this ceiling fan off of Craigslist. It came with two other fans. It was $50 for the whole bundle. So this fan is whatever 50 divided by 3 is, like $17.66 or whatever it is. I added on the tassel pull chain by myself, but apart from that, everything you see is original. It did come with the canopy. It's just, I don't have it on right now. I just put it up not too long ago, so haven't put the canopy on yet. Give you guys a closer view of it real quick. Yeah, these blades are really slim but really long. And there may be some paint splotches on the other side of the blades. Just step over here to give you guys a view of the tag. It's getting cloudy outside, so it's getting a little dark in here, which is hopefully not going to affect the lighting in this video too badly. Okay, now we'll start it off on low speed. And when I got the fan from the original owner, I presume, the fan did have oil in it. However, I did add some oil myself just to ensure that it's working well. And all things considered, it blows really good air. It actually maybe, like in terms of airflow, this fan is probably superior to the 42-inch version because of the longer blades. And it does have a bit of a wobble to it, but that's not too bad. Almost all originals do, to be honest. Medium. And this would probably be one of the rarest fans that I own. The number one spot probably still belongs to the Decorator Mauve Delta 2. However, in terms of like rare fans that are high in demand, this one would probably be number one. The range of speeds on this fan is pretty good also. and high. Yeah, the fan itself looks great. Honestly, I think, because I've only ever seen these fans in white and polished brass, because there's obviously not too many other ones that have, been videoed, but I do think I really like the brass on this one. Like, the brass color just looks really nice on a fan like this. Because I don't have any brass 42-inch originals, but yeah, this just looks really nice. I'm glad I got one in brass. Not that I would be complaining if I found one in white. It's just like, I think if I had to choose, I would go with this one just because of the nice shiny color of the polished brass. And we'll turn it off. And there you go. This is my 48-inch Hunter original ceiling fan in polished brass from 1988. And the spin down time is pretty good on this fan, signifying the oil is plentiful in its oil cap. So that's just about all there is to say. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching, everybody.